Well, here it is, the Kobo Rakuten Libra 2. This is a continuation of the Libra H2O, released last year. This is a 7-inch E INK Carta 1200 display, waterproof, Wi-Fi, audiobooks, Comfort Light Pro. They don't really need to have the H2O moniker on there anymore because most devices nowadays have IPX7, IPX8 certification and are inherently waterproof. Surprisingly, looking at the box, they have toned down the Rakuten logo. There used to be a big R with a circle around it, and now on almost all sides except the top right here, they don't even say the words Rakuten. Even on the back, you have to read all the way at the bottom, it says designed by Rakuten, made in Taiwan. So that's very interesting. Opening this up, it is going to be opened because this is a review sample, but there should be a little security strip on the side. The inside is very nice. Now, I say this a lot, but it does go to show you the companies that take the extra time to put inlays and different feels and stuff like that on the inside. It really does trickle down into the quality of the unit itself. We're going to put this off to the side for now. The box may be white. That's just a generic image. You have to go by the sticker they put on the box. This is a raised sticker. This is printed on the box. So please note that if you're going to be purchasing this. You do have some information here, all your warranty information and your quick start guide. It is in multiple languages and of course has some website links for you to go to other places if you have any questions. So hold on to those. If you lose your way, you can refer to those. You have a USB-C cable in the box and there's nothing else underneath the tray. Now on to the unit itself. Again, that R is missing with the Rakuten circle. They must have struck a deal to change a lot of that. Now, this is a 7-inch, and why that's impressive is because almost no one uses a 7-inch. You have 6.8s, 7.8s, etc. The Oasis used a 7, and now this one does. They've always been really nice with their backings, Kobo. They've been doing these kind of backings since the Vox, with their kind of triangular plaid looking kind of thing. This is very nice. Argyle, I should say. The Rakuten logo is embossed in the top right corner, and the power button is a very flush power button with a thick plastic layer that is mirror finish on the back. So it's very nice. It doesn't jut out of the unit. It's a very clean looking unit. On the bottom, or the side, depending on which way you're holding it, you have a USB-C port, and that is it. The whole unit is very clean. Looking at it at the front, you do have an asymmetrical design with 2 page buttons. Now this is going to be asymmetrical or symmetrical based on the way you hold it. If you want to read books like this, you want some wider margins, you can do that. This is everything that comes in the box with the Kobo Libra 2. Out of the Libra 2 and the Sage, this is the cheaper one of the bunch, so you are going to be saving a couple pennies if you want to go this route. If you can order it from Kobo Rakuten, go right ahead. If you are out of area, you can order from goodereader.com and we can ship anywhere in the world. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let us know down below and stay tuned for a future review. For goodereader.com, this is Peter.